Hey everyone, and welcome back to Auto RYK. Today, we're taking a closer look at a car that's sure to set pulses racing. The reborn legend, the 2025 Ford Torino Cobra. This isn't your grandpa's muscle car. Ford's brought the iconic Torino back, but with a modern twist, blending classic design, cutting-edge technology. So gearheads and everyday drivers alike, let's jump in and see what this beast has to offer. First up, that head-turning design. The Torino Cobra instantly commands attention with its low, wide stance and aggressive profile. The iconic long hood and short deck are reminiscent of the original, with sharper lines and a modern edge. Ford hasn't forgotten the heritage though. Look closely and you'll see subtle callbacks, like the sequential taillights and the Cobra emblem on the grille. It's a perfect blend of old-school cool and new-age muscle. Now, slip inside the cockpit. The Torino Cobra isn't all about show. It offers surprising comfort. Supportive, bolstered seats hug you during spirited drives, while the driver-oriented layout puts everything you need within easy reach. But it's not all business. Premium materials and tasteful chrome accents create a luxurious feel, making those long cruises a joy. Technology-wise, you'll find a large touchscreen infotainment system with Ford's latest sync technology, keeping you connected and entertained. Alright, let's talk about what truly makes the Torino Cobra sing. Its heart. Nestled under the hood are several engine options to choose from. Base model packs a punch with a powerful EcoBoost V6. But if you crave pure muscle, there's a thrilling 5.0-liter V8 waiting to unleash its fury. Both engines are paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering exhilarating acceleration and confident handling. Don't worry, purists. A good old-fashioned manual transmission option is available on the V8 for those who like a little more control. Now, what sets the Torino Cobra apart? It's not just about raw power. Ford has incorporated a selectable drive mode system, letting you tailor the car's personality to your mood. Want a comfortable ride for cruising? Pop it into Eco mode. Feeling adventurous? Switch to Sport mode for sharper handling and a more responsive throttle. There's even a track mode for those who crave weekend thrills. Plus, Ford offers a comprehensive performance package, adding Brembo brakes, a limited slip differential, and sportier suspension for those who want to push the limits. The 2025 Ford Torino Cobra is more than just a muscle car. It's a statement. It's a powerful reminder of a legendary past, reborn for a modern era. It offers exhilarating performance, luxurious comfort, and unmistakable style. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or someone who appreciates a truly special car, the Torino Cobra is sure to leave a lasting impression. So, if you're looking for a legend reborn, a car that delivers both thrills and sophistication, then the 2025 Ford Torino Cobra might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to leave a comment below telling us what you think of this iconic revival. And as always, thanks for joining us on Auto RYK. We'll see you next time.